How to clear frequently used emojis on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you can just open up any app or basically you can just use any keyboard. So I'm just going to show you by example. So I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to tap on search bar. And as I tap on search bar, you can see the keyboard. Here you can see the emojis. Here you can see the option of recently used, and there are some emojis that I recently used and I keep on using. So there's no other option to remove them or clear them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the settings of the device and then I'm going to tap on about phone, and then I'm going to scroll down and tap on factory reset and make sure that I tap on erase all data, and this will help in redefining the emojis that I use in my device. Next, what you can do is after that you can just tap on power button and reboot your device, and after that your issue might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.